Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Divya. In today's video, I'm going to show you a 10-step Korean skincare routine. ഇതിൻ്റെ എല്ലാ സ്റ്റെപ്പും എല്ലാ ദിവസവും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഫോളോ ചെയ്യണമെന്നില്ല. യു മേ സ്കിപ്പ് സം സ്റ്റെപ്പ് അക്കോർഡിംഗ് ടു യുവർ ടൈം ആൻഡ് യുവർ സ്കിൻ കൺസേൺസ്. കാര്യം എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ചിലപ്പം സെൻസിറ്റീവ് സ്കിൻ ഉള്ളവർക്ക് ഈ പ്രോഡക്ട്സ് എല്ലാം കൂടെ ഒരേ ടൈമിൽ യൂസ് ചെയ്താൽ ബ്രേക്ക്ഔട്ട്സ് ഉണ്ടാവാൻ ചാൻസ് ഉണ്ട്. സോ ചൂസ് വൈസ്ലി. So today I'm going to show you some of my favorite Korean skincare products. I can't wait to show you how good it feels on my skin. So let's get started. So the first step is to clean your face using an oil-based cleanser. I am using Beauty of Joseon Ginseng Cleansing Oil. After pumping cleansing oil 1 to 2 times, gently massage onto a dry face. This is a lightweight cleanser formulated without artificial fragrance, alcohol, or parabens. Next, I am using a foaming cleanser. I am using ANUA 8 Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Foaming Cleanser. Lather the content into rich foam and gently massage your face with your palm. Rinse it off thoroughly with lukewarm water. This is a mild foam cleanser which deeply cleanses the pores without stripping the skin. And this is formulated with 8 kinds of hyaluronic acid and panthenol which work together to hydrate the skin and replenish the moisture barrier. Now it's time to exfoliate the skin. I am using Beauty of Joseon Apricot Blossom Peeling Gel. This is a gentle gommage type exfoliant that removes all dead skin cells and has oil control properties. Skin is left feeling smooth and moisturized but not irritated. Apply an adequate amount on your dry face and gently massage for about 20 seconds and then rinse off with warm water. Adjust the frequency of use according to your skin type. It's recommended to use this product 1 to 2 times a week. Next step is to use a toner to balance the pH of the skin. I'm using ANUA Heartleaf 77% Soothing Toner. Squeeze a few drops of toner onto your palm and then gently dab it onto your skin. You can also use a cotton pad to apply the toner, but I don't want to waste the product, so I'm just using my hands to apply it. This is such a popular toner and it's known for being highly moisturizing, gentle and soothing even for sensitive acne-prone skin. It's mildly acidic to maintain the pH balance and regulate the skin's oil moisture levels. Next step is essence. I am using ginseng essence water from Beauty of Joseon. Pour a few drops into your hands and pat gently onto the face. Essence has a thinner consistency compared to the serum. This contains 80% of the ginseng water. It helps to maintain deep moisture in the skin for a long time and to keep the skin healthy. Essence plays an important role in Korean skincare routine, and this product is vegan, cruelty-free, and fragrance-free. So step number 6 is using a serum. I'm using Beauty of Joseon Glow Serum. It is more concentrated version of the essence. Apply 2 to 3 drops to the skin and pat in gently to aid in absorption. Next is face mask. I'm using Mask-Medicube Collagen Lifting Mask. Leave the mask for at least 10 minutes and remove it. Do not leave the mask for more than 15 minutes as it tends to absorb moisture from the skin once it dries out. So it's been 10 minutes since I applied the mask. Let's see how the skin looks now. It looks nice and glowy. Skin looks quite moisturized, just the way I want it. Also allow some time for the moisture to soak in, so gently keep patting the skin until it gets absorbed. Next we move on to the eye serum. I am using Beauty of Joseon Revive Eye Serum. It contains ginseng and retinal. Pump 1 or 2 times and apply the serum around the eyes or the entire face. Step number 9 is applying a moisturizer. I am using Beauty of Joseon Dynasty Cream. This cream has a firm texture and it provides moisture and nourishment from deep within. This cream provides a gentle glowy finish. It does have anti-aging properties, so it also helps to remove wrinkles while moisturizing and brightening the skin. And the last step is sunscreen. If you are using this routine as a night routine, then you may use a sleeping mask instead of the sunscreen. I am using Access Y Complete No Stress Physical Sunscreen SPF 50+. Since I am done with the glass skin routine, let's have a look by the window in the natural light. I'm quite happy with the final results. Please add your opinions and suggestions in the comment section and subscribe if you haven't done so we can stay connected.